Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom application on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you use. And after that, search. I'm going to search it again. Search Zoom download and click. And here you can see on the first search option zoom.us. This is their official website. Just click the download option here. And after that, this page will pop up. And here you can see Zoom desktop client. And for 64-bit, all you have to do is click this download option. If your PC is 34-bit, just click this option here. As I'm using the 64-bit option, I'm going to use the download option here. And as you can see, the download is already began automatically, but I previously downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. And just click this show in the folder here, and after that double click it to install the file and click run here. And as you can see, the installer is loaded and the installation process is begin. So we have to wait for it to finish the process. And as you can see, the installation is completed, and here are two options, sign up or sign in. If you already have an account, just click the sign up option, but if you want to create an account, just click sign in option here and your Zoom application is ready. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.